How to find Facebook join date. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to find Facebook join date. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Facebook app is up to date. So if not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Facebook. And then make sure that the Facebook app doesn't have the update button right here. So if it shows the update button, make sure to click on update, and then once you have updated it, simply open the Facebook app. Once you have opened your Facebook app, go to your profile. So there are actually three ways in going to your profile. The first one is by clicking the picture right here, or the second one, you may be able to see the profile option right here, or the third one is by going to menu and then click on see your profile. Once you are right here, scroll down and look for edit public details. And then scroll down once again and go to details right here and click on edit. Scroll down to the bottom and then you may be able to see the joined Facebook option right here. So if you cannot see this joined Facebook option, what you're going to do is to simply click on save first and then go back to edit, and then you should be able to see the joined Facebook option right here. Make sure to check on it, and then as what you can see here, you may be able to see the month and then the year of when you created your Facebook. Make sure to click on save once you're done, and then that's it. That's how you can find Facebook join date. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.